Welcome to part 3 of our tutorial series on editing your existing organizational structure. In our previous tutorial, we discussed changing employees' job positions. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to move an employee into another organizational unit. As we discussed in part 2 of our series, an individual's organizational unit is by default tied to their job position. But if we open the employee card and click on Change Job Position, we see a number of fields available that can be edited. First, we select the new organizational unit, and then we choose the appropriate job position from that org unit's job positions. We choose an assigned from date and a change reason, and click OK to save. As you can see in the employee's header, their new organizational unit is reflected. Likewise, if we open our organizational chart, we can now see the employee present in their new organizational unit. But what if we wish to change the individual's org unit without actually changing their position or job role? Well, to do this, we should simply open the employee card in edit mode and stay on the General tab. Find the organizational unit field and then choose the new organizational unit from the predefined organizational units in the system using the org unit picker. In this case, we'll move him to Sales Sweden. Click OK to save. And now we see the new org unit reflected in the header. If we refresh the organizational unit chart, we can now find our employee in their new org unit. But we can also see that the employee's job position title has not changed. They've simply moved positions in the organizational unit. Now please note that the org unit field on the General tab, as illustrated here, takes precedence over any org unit defined on the Change Job Assignment form only for the main job position. So, if your system uses the multiple job positions regime, then all additional job assignments are restricted to the org unit of their predefined association. In other words, if we add an additional job position here, then we're going to be forced to choose it from the org unit to which it's already defined. Then our employee will appear with their main position org unit as defined on the main page or the General tab of their employee card, and then they'll also appear in the additional org unit of their additional job assignments. And that concludes this part of our tutorial series. For more Lanteria help, you can always go to help.lanteria.com.